Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, power lift gate, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.